Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a get ready with me summer makeup tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my makeup that I'm wearing right now. This is a beautiful soft glam matte with a little bit of shimmer makeup look. Definitely a classic soft glam, and I've just been loving these tones lately. I'm also going to share tips and tricks on how to keep your makeup in place all day, especially in the summer heat. So if you guys are interested in seeing me get ready for the day, and if you're interested in knowing what tips and tricks I have to share with you guys for summer and how to keep your makeup intact, then make sure to keep on watching. Now, before we jump into today's video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I'm starting off with moisturizer. If you guys hear grunting in the background, that is because I have my baby right here on his bouncer. I do apologize, but little baby boy is my little minion and my little sidekick now. So you guys are going to hear a lot of baby grunts in my videos. Next up, I want to go in with some setting spray just to add some freshness to the face. And also, this is a great layering technique for your base on a hot summer day. It's going to help ensure your makeup stays in place. So I love doing this layering step when it's the summer and it's hot. Otherwise, I find my makeup starts melting. So this is a really great hack. I honestly use any setting spray that I have in my collection. Currently, I have this one. This is the CINTA London Aqua Forte Super Hold setting spray. So far it's been really good for the summer. It's keeping my makeup in place, so I've really been enjoying this. This stuff smells so good. It smells like coconut, shea butter. It just smells like summer in a bottle. And I actually got this in a BoxyCharm package a few years ago, and I just never opened it. Recently came across it this year and have been loving it. Next up, just going to quickly color correct, and I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime in the shade Peach Lustre. A little product goes a long way with this stuff. You really don't need too much. Today is my first day attempting to do a sit down video with my baby, so it's so funny. If you guys saw behind the scenes what's going on, I have his bouncer. I have like this play chair that he has with a bunch of toys in front of it. I have like a setup on my bed because I am in my bedroom. I've just got like a bunch of stations for this kid so that we can keep on rotating him and keep him entertained. Next up, I'm going in with foundation. This is by the brand Too Faced, and this is their original Born This Way foundation, and I'm in the shade Light Beige. I had to take a quick intermission. The baby was hungry. I fed him. He's here now, doing a bit better. Hopefully we can get through this tutorial. So next up, I want to go ahead and conceal under the eyes and just around my face to brighten. I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This has been my ride or die concealer for years. I think when it comes to concealer, I'm still stuck in 2016 with the amount of concealer I use, and honestly, I am not sorry for it. I love concealer. And I feel like right now in the season of life that I'm in, my under eyes are so horrible. And I feel like I need all the help I can get. Gonna set the concealer in place with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder. And I like to use the shade Pound Cake. This is honestly the best in the market. I'm just going to set my lids because they're looking a little bit shiny. Gonna set around the mouth for brightening. So another tip that I have for this summer, and just in general if you're using powder products, is go in with setting powder on the rest of your face. I'm gonna do this just to make another layer on my face. This is gonna help, again, hold everything in place in the summer heat. So I'm just gonna take a brush, take a little bit of setting powder, and just dust that all over my face. I'll also take the setting powder remaining and just blend that in as well. Instead of brushing it away, I'll just blend it into the rest of the face. Next up, I'm going to contour real quick with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm just going to pinch my brush just like that, and I'm going to subtly contour my nose. Nothing too crazy, just a little bit of definition real quick. When I have time, I'll use a different brush, but when I am just trying to do a quick makeup look, I honestly will just pinch my brush and do this and call it a day, and just blend the edges just to make sure nothing looks harsh. I want to go in with some blush next. I want to go in with a soft pinky nude, and this blush is the perfect shade for that. This is the GetSet Long Beach Iced Tea blush by the brand Tower 28. Just gonna take a angled fluffy brush to apply this on the face. I absolutely love this blush. It's the perfect soft pink, perfect for summer, goes well with almost everything. And I love the matte finish. I definitely have blush blindness, so I'm gonna put a lot of blush. Next up, I'm going in with some highlight. This is by the brand Fenty Beauty, and I'm using the shade Hustla Baby. This is also my go-to in my collection. It's been my go-to for years. I'm gonna add some on the nose. I like to go a little heavy with the highlight just because I do have all mattes on my face. So I like to also take the highlight and just add some on the inner portion of my eyes, and I'll just kind of lift it into the crease. I find this really helps open up the eyes and adds just a nice summery glow. Going in with the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 4. This is honestly my favorite brow product. It makes doing your brows so effortless and easy. Next up, I'm going in with some mascara. This is by the brand Too Faced. This is one of my favorites. Alright you guys, mascara is on. All I have left to do is my lips, and then I'm going to set everything in place. Now, I did completely miss a step that I want to mention to you guys. I usually also prime. I completely forgot. I think I was rushing. My baby was getting a little bit whiny because he was hungry. So I completely missed this step. This was literally on my makeup counter, and I was like, wait a second. We missed a step. This is the Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. This is also a must when I'm doing my summer base. Obviously, I'm not going to restart my makeup. I don't have that time, but just pretend I put this on as well. This is going to help blur out pores and really help your makeup kind of stay in place and set in place really nicely. So this is also something I use in my routine. I promise I just completely dropped the ball on this in the video, and that's just on mom brain. Let's do our lips. I'm going in with my absolute favorite. This is by ColourPop. This is in the shade CTRL. It's completely beat up, but I swear they have the best lip liners. Super creamy, super easy to use, great pigment. I absolutely love them. For lipstick, I'm going in with the matte lipstick Wedding Bells by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm literally handing my son makeup products to keep him entertained. Like, we're just at that stage right now. They're obviously closed and clean, of course. I would never hand him something that could be dangerous. So next up, I want to add just a little bit of nude to the lips. I feel like I just want to lighten up the lips a little bit. So I'm going in with the Revlon lipstick in the shade Untold Stories. This is a matte shade. This is the color I was hoping to go for. I feel like it matches the cheeks perfectly and the hijab as well. Just gonna lock everything in place with the setting spray. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's summer makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys benefit from these tips and tricks on how to keep your makeup in place all day, especially in the summer heat. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this makeup look. It's a super clean, classic, soft glam, and I've just been loving these tones on me lately. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!